Today is all about what do I keep in my pool bag, which you see I got my cute little pool bag, I got my cute little sunglasses, and I'm about to be off to enjoy my day with my friends. So I'm in a rush to get out, but as soon as I get to the pool, I'm gonna show you everything that I keep in my bag. Whew. Girl, I'm rushing to get out. My friends keep calling me. Okay, I'll see you in a minute. Y'all having a hot girl summer like I am? Are you having a hot girl summer?
Yeah. I mean,
so this is my actual beach bag.
No, I'm peanut.
It's a Marc Jacobs tote, and I have like a few things in it that I want to show you that I got. So number one, bitch. Okay, I'll just be here filming. I'll probably be done by the time y'all get back. Y'all coming back, right? No towel. Because we're at the pool. Let me show y'all. The pool is so pretty. Let me show y'all. Can y'all see this pool? Yes. So, girl, I have a towel. And y'all, I didn't even get in the pool, friend. I didn't even get in the pool because, honestly, it's windy in Chicago. You already know we're in a windy city, so it's a little bit windy. So I got a towel. First thing in my beach bag. Second thing that's most important is that I have a makeup bag. Girl, I had my sunglasses on when I came here looking fire as hell. And then when I took my sunglasses off, I don't know if you guys can see it, but I had like a mark. So I bought my makeup bag, which I have like concealer, edge stuff to slick my edges down. I have a brush. I have a sponge. Girl, I have my lip glosses, but let me put on some little lip gloss because my lips not popping like they should be. Oh shit! Oh, my sponge. My sponge is good. It's windy in Chicago, y'all. Chicago is that windy city. No motherfucking lie. So, got my lip gloss on. Let me pop in. All right. So y'all, I got a whole bunch of other shit. I got my compact so I can like fix my makeup if it kind of messes up. But all I need to do is already messed up earlier when I like took my sunglasses off. But girl, make sure you have your compact. And then I got a whole bunch of other little products in here. Make sure you have all of your bag. Next thing I have in my bag is I have my shoes that I wear to the pool. I got some really cute little jelly shoes that I wear to the pool. And usually I wear my cute little Tory Burch sandals, like especially like when you're coming into the pool and everything. But make sure that you have a cute little pair of jelly sandals because you don't want to mess up your really cute expensive sandals in the pool, like messing up the leather. But if you have a cute pair of like jelly sandals, that always works. So I traveled with this in my pool bag. Okay, let me tell you what else I got. Guys, people are like looking at me all crazy, but I got you. I'm gonna let y'all know what I got in my pool bag. I have my water bottles. I have this one, and then I also have my Yeti, but I have this one that's filled with water and ice, just so you can stay hydrated. If you're turning up with your friends, you always want to make sure that you're hydrated, period. So I have a hydro flask, water bottle, and then the camera may get a little bit weird, but I also have my Yeti, and I usually keep my wine in here with any of my like alcoholic beverages that I'm drinking because it keeps it cold. So I generally travel with both this one and this one, and I keep it in my pool bag so that my drinks can stay cold with water. And then I usually keep this one for my alcoholic beverage. I'm just using that to keep my phone propped up. So you want to stay hydrated in these streets when you out here, girl. Definitely. Obviously, you already know. I just mentioned it. That you're always going to have a pair of fly-ass sunglasses in your pool bag. These are my Gucci's. It obviously match my outfits. Super cool and cute. You know, you want to make sure that you're that bitch You're always looking good. You're at the pool, but this is what I had. My friends are coming back, so I'm gonna try to hurry this shit up, or I may have to finish telling y'all what's in my bag when I get home. But let me just hurry up. Okay. I have now, before I get to the pool, while I'm looking cute, I also have, and this is what I will be wearing actually to the pool, and this is what I actually wore over the weekend to my friend's 4th of July pool party. I have these really cute, super cute patent leather Tory Burch sandals, and Sergio had his sandals, and I was just like, I need a pair of designer sandals by Tory Burch. It has to, this is my summer look, so Sergio, thank you for that. So I have these cute patent leather Tory Burch sandals. Now, you don't want to wear these in the pool when you're coming in and out of pool. Just, you know, wear your pool slides, and then when you leave the pool party, like if you're like me, we'll have the pool party, and then after the pool party we'll just go out, you know, after for drinks or something to eat. So put these on when you're on your way out for drinks, okay? And don't forget to put them in your dust bag, because you don't want any dyes or anything to transfer to your white bag, if the bag permits, so if you have enough space. So make sure that you put your cute sandals in the dust bag so that the colors don't transfer. Now, also, in addition to having a cute pair of slides and sandals, girl, you have to have a cute pair of sunglasses. Now, I just got these really cute Dior sunglasses, and I'm gonna be talking more about them in my designer haul that I'm gonna be having soon. But you have to have a statement pair of sunglasses so that you can look, so you can just pretty much be a showstopper. Everybody's gonna be looking at you, wondering how you look, how you got those glasses, or why you look so good. So make sure you have a cute pair of designer glasses. I chose these Dior glasses. Because look at them, they are so fly. They just look like money. So you want to make sure you have a fine pair of sunglasses so that you're looking good. Make sure that you bring your glass case, because if you're like me and start sweating at the pool because it's hot, you want to make sure that you can just put them in your case, kind of blotch your makeup, and if you want to put them back on, put them on. If you don't, you can just put them in your purse and just keep them moving. But make sure that you have a fly pair of sunglasses. That's a must. Whether if they're Dior, designer or not, just have your cool pair of sunglasses. So these are the ones that I chose, and I also have a few other pairs that I'll be talking about in our designer haul that we'll have soon. So cute pair of sunglasses, and make sure that you bring the case to your sunglasses, because these sunglasses cost too much money for there to be any mishaps happening to them, girl. So sunglasses. So the next thing is in my pool bag, girl. You want to make sure that you have your sunblock. Now, Sergio definitely put me on this brand. It's called Super Goop, and I actually got this. From Sephora on sale, and they gave me like a whole kit of it, and I just keep them in here. But I use the Super Goop for my body, but I use actually Lemire sunblock for my face. So you want to make sure that before you put on your makeup that you do your face routine, and you make sure that you end your face routine with a very good sunblock so that your face does not get damaged, does not get burned. And you already know you should be wearing sunblock every day, because if you don't wear sunblock every day, it will cause you to age prematurely. So sunblock is a must on a beach day, and sunblock is a must in life in general. Make sure, let me fix my hair. Make sure that you're wearing your sunblock. It is a very important thing. And I just keep my sunblock in here. And also, guys, I have a small little brush so I can brush my hair. I have some ponytail holders, and I have a clip in here in case I need to clip my hair up if I don't want to get my hair wet. So make sure that you have these. Also got a mask in case I need one. But make sure that you have your clip and your ponytail holders. These are essential. Have these. I'm back. So make sure that you have a oil that has some type of gloss to it, and I actually have it on now. This Tom Ford oil, it smells great. It makes you look so sexy, like your body is glistening. You can put them over your arms,
your breast, all over your leg, and you just look so fine. You look so good.
Now, if you don't have the Tom Ford, you can also pick up the Riri. Does she even have these? I don't know if she has these, but this isn't actually in my bag, but this is what I use to prep as I get ready. Okay, so you want to make sure that you have some type of shimmer to your body, and these are really nice.
I'm gonna put a little bit on there, and you just literally put this on, and you're good to go. And it's so cute. It just adds a little bit of extra to whatever you're doing, and you know on this channel we're extra.
So make sure that you have your shimmer. These are essential. Now, in addition to your shimmer, make sure that you have a really cute summer fragrance. I suggest for you to have a fragrance that has some type of roses in it. This is Narciso Rodriguez, and it's called Flower Muse for her. I think that's how you pronounce it. And this is my fragrance that I wear. It smells so good. It smells like flowers. It's light, it's beautiful, it stays on. So make sure that you pick your favorite fragrance. Now, and it also smells good with the Tom Ford. So just know that this has a scent, and oh, it smells so good. So make sure that you have your summer scent. So, okay. And lastly, what I keep in my swim bag, or obviously what I prep when I'm going to the pool / what I keep in my swim bag. So always you want to have a really cute swimsuit. I had this swimsuit for a while now. It's a bikini, has a top. So you want to make sure that you have a cute swimsuit that's fire, that makes you look good and makes you feel confident. That is the most important thing. So make sure that you have a swimsuit that you feel confident in. I chose red. I'm going to insert a video clip of me in my swimsuit having a good time at the pool. But make sure that you have a swimsuit that you feel confident in, because confidence is the key. It's the most important thing, baby. Okay, so make sure that you have that swimsuit where you feel confident in. And also, this is imperative, do not skip out on having a really cute cover-up. Fashion Nova has some of the best cover-ups ever, that you can just go from the pool out across the street to have something to eat, or from the pool to the next party, and you still look fab. So I chose, this is one of my favorite cover-ups, where I have my bikini on, and then I have these sheer pants, and they're so cute. They're sheer pants, they go all the way to the floor, and then it's a sheer top that goes with it, and it's like a wrap top. And the whole point of the matter is, and I'll insert a clip of me wearing it to the best of my ability. I didn't really get a chance to film that, I'm sorry, but I'll insert me wearing it so you can kind of see it. But the main point is, you want to have a cover-up that makes you look glamorous, that makes you look, that just brings the whole look together. You just don't want to have a nice swimsuit and then your cover-up looks blah. No, girl, your cover-up has to look fine so you can have the whole look together. So you're gonna go in there with your Marc Jacobs tote, okay, and this velour, and everybody's gonna be like, who is that? Then, girl, you got on your sunglasses, okay, your fast sunglasses, your swimsuit, and then you have on a really cute cover-up. Girl, it looks like you just stepped out of a magazine. So those are the things that I suggest, which is inspired by Sergio's Secret, that you should put in your beach bag. I hope that you enjoyed this video. I enjoyed making this video, and I also enjoyed watching Sergio's Secret's video. He really inspired this whole video and also inspired my summer beach look. So I hope that you're inspired by this video in some kind of way and you can put your own spin to it. So that concludes our video, and thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. It will mean the world to me. I'm on my way to 500 subscribers, which I am so excited about because I have so many more videos that I have coming for you guys, especially this summer, because I have so much more time. So again, I had so much fun making this video, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.